Hello, my name's Nerys, and today we've come into Live Lab to investigate a brain. This is a pig's brain, but this was going to help us to learn a little bit more about our own brain. So one of the most recognisable things that we see about the brain are these little kind of grooves and bumps that we have. So the little grooves, these are called the sulci, and the bumps are called the gyri. And this helps to increase the surface area. A pig's brain doesn't have quite as many grooves and bumps as our brain would do. In fact, for our brain, about 2/3 of this surface is hidden inside those grooves. This gives us a bigger surface area, so it allows us to have more neurons, more brain cells. Okay, so here we can see the brain stem. So this is where all of our nerve signals are coming into our brain from all around our body. And as we go up here, we come to what's called the cerebellum, which literally means the small brain, the little brain. And this is responsible for things that need sort of very precision timing. And then we come up to the main part of the brain itself. We have the cerebral cortex going across the whole of this, and this is called the cerebrum. If we look just over here, you can see this little bit of black stuff there. The arachnoid mater is part of the meninges, which is a set of coverings that protect our brain. It's actually the meninges that get inflamed with the illness meningitis. Our brains are split into two halves, or hemispheres. So we have the left-hand one and the right-hand one. And actually your left-hand hemisphere in your brain controls the right-hand side of your body, and the right-hand side controls the left-hand side of your body. There is a bit in between them though, so that the two hemispheres can communicate. This is called the corpus callosum. So let's have a look at our pig brain and see if we can find that. So this one's already been cut in half. The corpus callosum is this little structure that we can see in here. That's connecting the two hemispheres of our brain so that they can communicate. So you might have heard of grey matter and white matter in brains, so I can show you what that is. The white matter is this, it's actually kind of light pinkish stuff here, and the grey matter is the darker pink bits around the edge. And these are actually different parts of our neurons, our brain cells. So we have the cell bodies, and these make up the grey matter around the edge. And then our neurons have a long, thin bit that's called the axon that has a layer of fat all the way around, and those come in and give us our white matter. It's actually that fat that gives it this light pink colour. That fat's helping the messages to go through our neurons and helping to protect them. So when it comes to brains, does size matter? Well, if we look at our pig's brain, this is quite small. It fits easily in the palm of my hand. The largest brain in the animal kingdom belongs to the sperm whale. My brain is probably about the size of my two fists together like this. So not even close to the size of a sperm whale's brain. And I thought I was quite smart. I've got 86 billion neurons in there. So perhaps it's brain size compared to body size that matters. As animals get larger, in general, they have larger brains. But humans have the largest brain size to body size ratio of any animal.
If you'd like to see more insides on the outside, check out our heart and eyeball dissections. Coming soon, we'll be dissecting an egg in our hatchery. So for more science every week, click subscribe. Thanks for watching.